Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case it is 32 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. So if you wish to check some further details, simply tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. You can also tap on the specific app, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, under it we've got ways to disconnect. I will discuss only one, so for example this one in the dashboard. So as you can see, next to specific apps you've got this hourglass icon and you can set the app limits. So let me choose it for the camera. After tapping on it, we can set the app timer. So if I will set it for 30 minutes, for example, it means that I can use this specific app for 30 minutes during a day. After that time, this app will be blocked. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes and tap on OK. As you can see, now the camera is immediately grayed out. Same here, and after trying to open it, I've got this pop-out window with the information that the timer ran out and it will start again tomorrow. Obviously it will not, because we've got it on 0 minutes. And I really think that it is the best, maybe not the best, but it is a good option to try to limit the time you're spending on specific apps. Trying to use that app timer, obviously you can quickly turn it off. However, I still think that it is a good first first way, let's say, of trying to limit everything. And maybe after seeing this you will think that, oh, maybe I really shouldn't turn it off and maybe I really shouldn't enter this app. And nowadays, let's be honest, we are spending too much time on the screens, so having that kind of app limiters will be a nice option. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on this hourglass icon and tap on delete timer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.